right, this is Jeff with Prescott Home Safety. Just got finished cleaning up after making a mess doing this dryer vent cleaning. You can see after we're done, we clean up our mess, sweep up, vacuum up all the dryer lint. If we take a look under here, you can see we got good airflow. The flap is blown open just the way it should. And this dryer vent's gonna be good for quite a few more dry cycles.